Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to set up song as a ringtone on Android 16. Let's begin. First, you want to go to the settings, and in the settings, go to sound and vibration. Here we can see our phone ringtone, so we can click on it. And we can choose between many built-in sounds. For example, we can go to, let's say, retro riffs, and you can simply go with, I don't know, let's say high score. I will now hit save, and now I have a different phone ringtone. However, if you want to choose a custom ringtone, you can easily do that by going into My Sounds. And as you can see, we don't really have anything yet, but we can click this plus icon, and now we can choose any kind of music or any kind of like a recording really from either our phone or even the drive itself, which is also pretty cool. And then they should appear here, and we can just select them just like we did before. And after our changes are done, we can simply hit save. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.